Your success will be determined by your own confidence and fortitude. Michelle Obama. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a phrase, dead in the water. Dead in the water. In this class, we are going to discuss the meaning and usage of the phrase, dead in the water. If something is dead in the water, it has failed and it seems impossible that it will be successful in the future. Completely defunct. Defunct means no longer existing or in use. Immobile. So, if something is no longer exist or immobile, you can say that it is dead in the water. You can otherwise say unable to function or move, or inoperable. You cannot operate the project. You are unable to function. So, if you say that someone or something is dead in the water, you are emphasizing that they have failed and that there is little hope of them being successful in the future. To describe that kind of person or project, you can say dead in the water. So far we have discussed the meaning of the phrase dead in the water. Now, let's use this phrase in sentences. Look at this sentence. How does the management revive the economic condition of the factory that is dead in the water? This is a question. How does the management revive the economic condition of the factory that is completely defunct? Number 2. The peace process of my family is now dead in the water. There may be dispute among family members, but the peace process is completely defunct. Unable to function the process, peace process. The peace process is failed. Another example for you, without an effective management or plans for expansion or dead in the water. Next, this greenhouse project is out of funds and dead in the water for the time being. As there is no fund, the greenhouse project is completely defunct for time being, immobile for time being. So, if something is dead in the water, it isn't going anywhere or making any progress. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.